So what will we be talking about? During my portion, I will present the functional psychoneurobiology tools designed to help mental health practitioners and those who live with neurodiversity to navigate the brain-mind constellation and make it feel home there. So first, we will talk about neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is simply the ability to change, and it can happen on many levels, and it happens on many levels. One of them is expanding and pruning the synapses. Another is building new neurons and supportive brain cells. And the third one is changing the DNA. Another beautiful thing about neuroplasticity is that we can direct it, building new pathways and rewiring as per our design. It is a driver of self-transformation, and it is called self-directed neuroplasticity.
When I learned about self-directed neuroplasticity, it unlocked the entire world for me. Becoming aware that I had control over the future wiring of my brain and the connection between my brain and my body gave me hope. I've always been confident in my ability to work hard, and knowing that if I oriented that quality of hard work towards activities that could physically rewire my mind and body to have a better state of being was really, really inspiring. What started as an uphill battle has now become a hardwired part of my character. And actually, many of my friends point to my discipline and levels of productivity on a daily basis as admirable trait, which I would have never thought possible 8 years ago when I started on this path, and has only been made possible by understanding the why and then practicing things on a daily basis in order to push myself.
Thank you, Jan.